Okay, so let's do the ceiling. So if we go to our A2.0 assembly and look at the ceiling that it shows, it's this one. So it actually has a 2.5 inch concrete deck here. So it's like 2.5 inches, and I think this is 1.5 inches. We'll have to see. It has a decking, and then it has these suspension pieces, right, with a metal stud and the acoustical that go down to the acoustical ceiling panels that hold um, the the frame that holds the acoustical ceiling panels. So basically, we're just going to build the acoustical ceiling panel as a separate ceiling, and then we'll build this as a separate structural floor, and we'll add these in detail. You know, those won't get added, and any sort of movement that happens in the ceiling, you would do. Um, you know, depending on how much of it there is, you could do in a detail. So we're just going to make this really, really simple. So you've got the ceiling panels, the suspended grid system, and then the 2.5 inch fluted concrete. All right. So first we'll go in and actually make the ceiling panels, which if we go to the ceiling panel, whoops, not that one, I think the ceiling panels, if I remember correctly, are 7.87 inch thick. If I remember where those guys are, I think that information is here, or you can just trust me. Yeah, there it is, 7/8 of an inch thick, right? So we're going to make that 7/8 of an inch. So let's just go ahead and bring that back down, and we'll go to our section here, and I'm going to take that ceiling, and I'm going to edit the type, and I'm going to edit the structure, and this I'm just going to make 7/8 of an inch, right? And click OK, and click OK. So now that's correct, and then let's double check. It's not, right now it's not adjusted to the ceiling, which is fine because it's actually going to go way below, because this is going to be the top of the slab of the finished floor, the structural floor. So let's go ahead and take this guy and let's set the height offset from the level 0. Let's set that right now to 9 feet. So it'll just move it down, right? It's just moving that down to be the suspended part of the ceiling. And then when we come back, we'll make the actual deck